it's a great opportunity for you guys to learn. One of the major problems of agricultural production is the pest and disease. If you don't control pest and diseases, it can affect up to 60 to 70% of your crops can be ruined. The pest and diseases that the people or the farmers face in BT level may not be the same as in the Eastern Division. You have your own pest and diseases, and some of them may not be that severe. But it is important for you to learn and diagnose, able to diagnose the impacts of the pest and diseases, and also for you guys to act as a border control to prevent the invasion of these pest and diseases to your respective islands. For example, taro beetle. Some of the islands, they do not have taro beetle, especially the Lumeviti group, Koro and other islands. Kandavu is already there. It is rather unfortunate that we could not prevent it from being there. So you as extension, some of you have already been appointed as temporary biosecurity officers, and it is a very important role that you're going to play, as I've said, to prevent invasion of some pests and diseases to your various islands. Also, you should be able to identify the disease. Most of you have this plant doctor apps already in your mobile phones. So we encourage you, once you are trained here, you go and organize your own groups within your localities and get, farmers, go to the village, talk to the village headman and organize one in the village. So people can get their produce, and you and your staff sit down there, half day maybe, and try to help the farmers in terms of identification and control. So it's not only identification, you should also know how to control or manage those pest and diseases, and I think the team is going to tell you all those things, how you're going to manage. So it's very important that you go back, the knowledge that you have learned here, you go back and practice in your localities. So from next year we are going to restrict the trainings. We want to encourage more clinics, more engagement with the communities. So if you are still not confident enough, you can seek assistance from our team. They can come and help. But we want to encourage you to take the leading role in terms of conducting these plant health clinics. And from this year, we have also incorporated soil health, instead of not only plant but plant and soil health clinics. I think there will be a session. There will be a session from the chemistry lab, so the staff will come here and also teach you how to take soil sample, how to interpret the results, how to calculate the fertilizer requirements. All these are also important. I know most of your islands, they have very fertile soil, but still you need to try to maintain the fertility, otherwise you'll be mining the soil, like what is happening in Tavini. The soil is very much mined, and the fertility has really declined, and it is affecting production. So these are some of the important aspects of training. We want to train you, capacitate you, so that you have the knowledge and skills to go back and assist your clients, assist your farmers. That's the whole thing behind it. I expect you to take the full advantage of this week. Learn as much as possible and ask questions. Maybe these guys only know more about VT level and Vanua level, so you can throw some ideas from the Eastern Division. What are the issues you are facing in the division that needs our attention? Issues of taro beetle, issues of rhinoceros coconut beetle, and whatnot. Stick insects, and your own unique issues that you can before you move out or go out this week, you have some ideas and knowledge of how you can tackle your own issues within your localities.